Sikhona lana Dorothy Nyembe lapho esenzakala khona ngayo Steve Sikano Foundation under 19 njengoba sibona namanje KO Angels abagqoke lona ijezi eliyelo ibona abaphethe ibhola labo abaphethe ibhola iyona iFuture Stars okuyinto enhle Future Stars yakhona ngapha Orange Farmer KO Angels yakhona ngapha eMidlands njengoba namanje sibona KO iyona phethe ibhola Future Stars amalady adlalayo osisi bethu abadlalayo wamjika kahle KO nice defense from Future Stars KO balibuyisele emuva basase kuyona yafika bakuyona phakathi ndaweni ewuma phakathi boxing awudisibona sebenza unozinti what a save from kuyena unozinti wayo KO Angels Hiyadlasela iFuture Stars beautiful pass offside offside yayo KO Angels Onukala umdlalo kusasayinile maqala omabili uyashisa lo mdlalo uyashisa lo mdlalo into enhle enziwa yona Steve Sikano eFoundation ngoba siyabona habo sisi bethu abancane ibona abadlalayo siyazi na ibanyana banyana iqualifyile ukuya khona ngapha eMorocco ibona labadlali sizowabona basirepresenta kuyona ibanyana okuyinto enhle kakhulu sibona iFuture Stars amdlale kabi okuzoba yona free kick yayo iFuture Stars beautiful pass from yona Future Stars azange umdlula thumela phambili umdlalo wayo KO Angels KO beautiful pass from yona Angel ibeka khona space in awusibona enzani manje Angel iyataka sebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars okusasena isasekuyona yafika isebungozini okuyona manje KO ibona abaphethe ibhola balishintsha kahle ibhola wasebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars KO ibona sebenza abadlali bayo iFuture Stars iyadlasela iKO Future Stars long ball into a space awudisibone lazambela lodwa lamshiya umdlali wayo iFuture Stars Alberto yena nozinti wayo KO thumela phambili ubafuna ngamakhanda sebenza ikhanda abadlali bayo Future Stars nala lenye ikhanda from kuyona KO Future Stars Hoyaba yona throwing yayo iKO Angels yakhona ngapha eMidlands KO sikuwona amakota finali wawo lo mdlalo siyazi ukuthi umkhumula jezi helphumelelayo iqembu namhlanje liyakuona ama semifinals awusibona wenzani sebenza unozinti wayo iFuture Stars wathumela phambili ubafuna ngamakhanda lazambela lodwa ibhola yophuza amanzi okuzoba yona throw-in goal kick okuzoba yona goal kick yayo KO Angels uyashisa lo mdlalo okusaseyinile both sides Angels KO Angels osisi abadlalayo uyalibona ibhola liyashesha okuyinto enhle ukhomisa ukuthi kuyempela asiqualifyanga ngephutha ukuya kuyona iWomen's Africa Cup of Nations khona ngapha eMorocco siyazi ukuthi masingasebenza kahle eMorocco sizokwazi ukuqualifya ukuya khona ngapha eBrazil kuyona Women's Soccer World Cup lapho sazi khona ukuthi wonke amaqembu iwona okuyona iphupho labo njengoba manje sibonana KO sebenza Future Stars awusibona wenzani sasayona iFuture Stars phakathi boxini Future Stars Future Stars. Beautiful pass from Giyani umdlalo Future Stars. Hadazama ukupasa ngazi isithende. Future Stars phakathi eboxeni ngekhanda. 1 pounds. Beautiful keeping from Giyani. Ukeeper wayo KO Angels. Future Stars. KO. Future Stars. Future Stars. Future Stars. Beautiful touches from these two teams. KO. KO. Hadizibona wenzani elayinini. KO. Kusasela umdlalo wakhe KO. Beautiful pass from Giyani umdlalo wakhe KO. Iyahlasela into a space. Wasebenza umdlalo wakhe Future Stars. Iyahlasela KO Angels. Ifuna an early goal. Siyazi ukuthi it's a knockout. The team that is going to lose today, we all know. They have to go home. They have to watch it on their television. Semi-finals. Drawing. Yayo KO Angels. Ethanda ukuhlasela, ethanda ukuba ingozi kulesi sikhathi. Hadizibona wenzani phakathi eboxini. Beautiful cross ngekhanda. Akunamuntu lizambelana nalodwa. Ukuyona beautiful pass from Giyani umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Khona okwenzakele. Ureferee ukhuluma nomunye umdlali angazi kuye kwenzakalani. Wawumisa umdlalo ureferee. Okumele ukuthi ayenze yona i-fair play. Wayinika yona Future Stars ngoba uyilona ibhola layo i-Future Stars. Future Stars. Beautiful turn from Giyani umdlalo wayo Future Stars into a space. Beautiful pass from Giyani umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Nice defense from Giyani KO Angels. Ethanda ukuba ingozi kuyona le face off. I-KO lazambela lodwa okuzoba yona draw win. Hiyayo Future Stars eyakhona ngapha e-Orange Farm. Siyazi KO ingani bathi KO KO imele Karabo owami ngoba bekuyibona abadlali balo leqembu leli elaziwa ngayo iprofessor kodwa namhlanje balibiza ngayo KO owami sabaye bashiya emhlabeni. May their soul rest in peace abadlali bayo iprofessor kodwa namhlanje basibiza ngayo KO Angels. Ingako bathi KO Angels because our sisters, they are no longer with us. May their soul rest in peace. We are in the quarterfinals of this beautiful match. It's still 0-0. We don't know which team is going to win. As now we see Future Stars, a player, he's like he's injured. He's going outside. I don't know what happened. We see the first 8. Sasekona lana. Dorothy Nyembe kuyona Steve Sikano Foundation Under 19 Soccer Tournament. Future Stars. Beautiful pass. Nice defense from Giyani KO. Beautiful pass from Giyani KO. KO wachi kahle. Free kick. Yayo KO Angels. Iyahlasela kuyona le first half. Mayibetha ibhola. Iyazama ukulibeka khona espacini into engiyibonayo eyenziwa yona KO Angels. Thumela phambili wafuna ngamakhanda. Sebenza ngekhanda umdlalo wayo KO Angels. KO Angels. Beautiful pass. Nice defense from Future Stars. Beautiful pass from Future Stars. Future Stars who are having a ball, who are attacking. Beautiful touches from Future Stars. It's still Future Stars into a space. Let's see what Future Stars will do with this ball. They're still attacking in their box. Nice defense from KO Angels. Nice defense. Muhle lo mdlalo uyashisa nabathumela phezulu ngamakhanda Future Stars. KO buyisela emuva umdlali wayo KO uyena unozinti wabo njengoba namanje okusaseyona 0-0 both sides. KO Ibona abaphethe ibhola. Beautiful pass. Elayinini. KO. Iya-attacker. KO. Nice defense from kuyona umdlali wayo. Future Stars. Kusaseyona KO. Future Stars. Future Stars. Beautiful touches from kuyona Future Stars. Kuyona. Free kick ya Future Stars. Khona umdlali abamdlale kabana. Siyambona phansi. Nanya lapha. Abangadlalani kabi ngoba sifuna ukubona labadlali base representa kuyona i-national team ngoba siyazi uDesiree Ellis i-coach ihamba zonke inkundla ifuna ukubona bona abadlali singahle abanye abadlali abadlalayo lana sibabone kusasa bagijimela yona ibanyana banyana hathi sibona uzoyenzani ngalo le bhola njengoba manje ngisho yizi isikhathi sayo ama-set piece yilapho khona ama-coach omele basebenze ngawo ama-set piece osisi abadlalayo okuyinto enhle hathi sibona wenzani ngekhanda okaseni sebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars khipha endaweni eyingozi umdlali wayo i-Future Stars okuzoba yona drawing yayi-KO KO ibona abaphethe ibhola. Nice defense. Kusaseyona i-KO. Unamandla lo mdlali. Akunamor khona umdlali abamdlale kabe. Okuzoba yona free kick yayo Future Stars. It's a knockout, a tournament. Umkhumula jersey. Mele ube khona iqembu namhlanje. Helikhumula lona ijersey. Njengoba mina ngithanda ukusho ngithi khona bayilethile khona bazoyilanda angazi ukuthi ibaphi abayilethile ibaphi abazoyilanda njengoba manje sibona yona Future Stars KO thumela phambili KO. Nice pass from Gioni KO Angels. Beautiful pass from Gioni KO Angels. Yeah, attack. Nice defense. Gioni Future Stars. Future Stars. Okusaseyona Future Stars. Uzambela yedwa. Beautiful pass. Ibhola liphumela ngaphandle. Okuzoba yona throwing yayo i-KO Angels. Eyakhona ngapha eMidlands. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Ayashisa lamaqembu omabili. Yinhle into engibonayo lana. Yinhle into yenziwa yona Steve Sikano eFoundation ukusibonisa bona osisi njengoba badlala. Njengoba manje sibona kuyona drawing yayo KO Angels. Thumela phezolo funa ngamakhanda. Future Stars. Future Stars. KO. Future Stars. Thumela phambili. Okusaseyona Future Stars. Sebenza umdlalo wayo KO Angels. Kusase beautiful pass from Gioni KO Angels. Ethanda ukuba namandla. Abadlali bayo KO Angels banamandla. What a beautiful pass. Okuyona wakwazi ukusipasa okuzoba yona corner kick yayo KO Angels. Beautiful skill from kuyena umdlali wayo KO Angels. It's happening lana eDorothy Nyembe. Lapho khona esinthumela bukhoma wona lo mdlalo omuhle kangaka lapho khona sebenza umdlalo wayo KO. It was a deflection okuzoba yona corner kick yayo KO Angels. Baya attacker labadlali banamandla abadlali bayo KO Angels. Okusase corner kick. Alibona basansana ngale corner kick. Ngamakhanda. Okusase khona umdlalo wamdlale kabe. Okuzoba yona free kick. Iya Future Stars elithumela phambili. Ayimosha isikhathi. Alhera umdlalo wayo KO Angels. Okusase yona KO. Beautiful touches from Giona KO. Banamandla labadlali wakwazi ukujika kahle umdlali wayo i-KO. Okaseyona KO. Beautiful pass. akuna muntu bamdlale kabi umdlalo wa KO kuzoyana free kick ya KO Angels thanda ukuhlasela KO Angels. They are saying we are here to stay. We want to go to finals because it's not just a match. Arisbone bazoenzani ngayo le free kick abadlali bayo KO Angels. Isikhathi ama set piece uyabuza wenzani wabuza phezulu kwamapale okuzoba yona goal kick yayo Future Stars. Njengoba ngiyengasho njengoba nizwa igama lisho lithi KO, K umele yena uKarabo, u-O umele yena u-O wami ngosisi bethu kade badlalela lona leqembu, ingakho balibize ngabo leqembu ukuthi iKO ngoba abasekho emhlabeni, badlalela ukuba honora okuyinto enhle kakhulu eyenziwa yiyona iprofessor ngoba lona leqembu laziwa ngayo iprofessor, kodwa namhlanje badecide ukulibiza KO Angels njengoba nizwa Angels esem ukuthi nabo osisi bethu bahleli nawo ama Angels. May their soul rest in peace. Esasekhona lana eDora Tinyembe kuyona Steve Sikano Foundation under 19 soccer tournament okuyona knockout sikuona ama quarter finals eliphumelelayo namhlanje liyakuyona ama semi finals. Odisibona wenzani phezulu kwamabhale. Beautiful shot from jersey number 5. Goal kick yayo KO Angels. Uyashisa lo mdlalo angazi iliphi iqembu elilethile, iliphi iqembu elizoyilanda ngoba siyazi it's a knockout. KO, beautiful pass. Banamandla abadlali bayo iKO. Beautiful pass from kuyena umdlali wayo Future Stars. KO, beautiful pass from kuyena umdlali wayo iKO. Kuyena umdlali wayo manje Future Stars. Angayiboni kahle iFuture Stars, ayikawahlanganisi kahle amathashes wayo iFuture Stars. Iqembu engithanda ukulibona ukuthi lithanda ukuba ingozi iyona iKO Angels. Mabaphethe ibhola bayabonana, bayakwazi ukulibeka espacini. Angikaboni kahle kuyona iFuture Stars, kodwa kusaseyona ifirst half yawo lo mdlalo okusase 0-0 both sides. Beautiful pass from kuyona KO wazi ukujika kahle KO. Beautiful pass into a space, bayazana labadlali bayi KO alisibona wenzani KO sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars unamandla uthi mawufuna ukudlula mele uthole imvumo kimina, awukwazi umane nje undlule, angikwazi ukupha yona futhi imvumo ngoba nathi sifuna ukuyawona ama semifinal wayo Steve Sikano under 19 soccer tournament. Njengoba manje sibona yona Future Stars esasekuyona ihalf yabo iFuture Stars okuzoba yona free kick yayo iFuture Stars. Uyashesha lo mdlalo, especially when KO they are having a ball, they are trying to move forward. Oyona free kick yayo Future Stars thumela panzona Future Stars kunosindi wayo iKO thumela phambili abamosha isikhathi if EKO mayiphethe ibhola ithumela phambili Angels. Future Stars, beautiful pass into a space. Future Stars, nice interception. Future Stars, nice keeping from the keeper. Wayo, KO Angels. Muhle lo Zindi. Ngiyathemba uDesri lapho akhona. Uyayibona into engiyibonayo. Future Stars, yona zaphethe ibhola. KO Angels, free kick. Yeah, Angels. Hawks say nil, both sides. Iqembu helizamayo ukuya phambili yona iKO Angels. Njengoba namanje sibona umdlalo wayo uzokhathalana le free kick. Amakhanda sebenza umdlalo wayo. Future Stars thumela phambili espacing. Awuzibona uyalithola Future Stars. Future 1-on-1. Future Stars awuzibona wenzani. Sebenza umdlalo wayo iAngels. Banamandla abadlali bayo iAngels. La kunozinti kalula. Amakhanda sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Okusaseyona Future Stars. Free kick yayo Future Stars. Kusasey 0-0. Okusaseyona ifirst half yawo lo mdlalo. Omabili lamaqembu ayalifuna inqawu nje abathumela kuyena kunozinti £1. Sebenza unozinti okuzoba yona corner kick yayo iFuture Stars. Bayashesha abadlali bayo iFuture Stars. Bafuna early goal. Awusibona wenzani? Beautiful cross. Wasebenza unozinti. Sebenza unozinti wayo KO Angels. Muhle lo nozinti. Ngiyathemba Desri Ellis ubukile lo mdlalo ngoba it's a quality. Usimisele lo nozinti KO Angels. Beautiful skill. Sebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars. What is safety first ngikhiphela ngaphandle okuzoba yona drawing yayo KO Angels. Future Stars okuzoba yona corner kick yayo KO Angels. Banamandla abadlali bayo iAngels. Banamandla ngempela. Awusibone bazenzani ngayo le corner kick. Njengoba ningazi ngithanda ukusho mina I'm from the old school. Lapha thina besithanda ukuthi corner it's a goal. Let's see what they're going to do with this corner kick. It just went out. It's going to be a goal kick for Future Stars. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Okusasey 0-0 at both sides. Goal kick yayo iFuture Stars. Thumela phambili funa amakhanda. Future Stars wakwazi ukujika umdlali wayo Future Stars. Future Stars yona ehlaselayo manje. What a skill from yona Future Stars. Sebenza umdlali wayo iKO. Banamandla abadlali bayo iKO. Siyabona abadlali bayo. Abadlali bobabili bahola amaqembu kade abaphansi asazi kwenzakaleni. Kungahle baye banqumuzana kwenze njani. Awuthi ngibone ukuthi uRevroot baye banqumuzana. Awuthi sibone what a free kick yayo KO Angels. KO Angels back pass. KO Angels endaweni eyingozi akunamuntu lizamela lotha ibhola. Kusasa 0-0 is still a first half of this beautiful match. thumela phezulu sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars beautiful touches from Yona into a space at this ball umdlalo wayo Future Stars uyena sebenza uNozinti laya nje kalula kuyena uNozinti unechubani umdlali wayo iFuture Stars ujersey number 11 simbonile ngempela ukwazile ukulifica ibhola sebenza umdlalo wayo KO Angels sebenza ngekanda umdlalo wayo Future Stars KO yona KO yahlaselayo manje yona KO andisibona wenzani uyandlula wenzani ngebhola okusaseyona KO nice defense from Future Stars it's still 0-0 at both sides. Both teams, they don't want to concede. They say they want to stay. I don't know which team is going to concede first between these two teams. KO. Pumela ngaphandle ukuzowana throw in yayo KO Angels. Sebenza ngekanda umdlalo wayo KO. Sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars KO. Beautiful pass. Sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Free kick. Future Stars. Bamdlala kabi umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Hayi moshi isikhathi Future Stars. Sebenza umdlalo wayo ngesithende umdlalo wayo KO. Uthi ngiphe uyalibiza espacini akambonanga njengoba manje sibona Future Stars KO nice defense from kuyona KO thumela phambili bafuna ngamakhanda okusaseyona Future Stars KO thumela phambili nice defense KO banamandla abadlali bayo KO akukho lula ungidlula kulona ibonda lawo KO bamdlala kabi umdlalo wayo KO Angels okuzoba yona free kick yayo KO okusasey 0-0 at both sides. It's a beautiful match. Ngithanda ukunikhumbuza emakhaya ngicela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe ukuze sikwazi ukunikhiphela bukhoma yona imidlalo efana nayo lena KO Future Stars beautiful pass into a space Future Stars 1-on-1 Future Stars sebenza uNozinti muhlela nozinti ngiye ngasho ngathi uDesri makabuke wona lo mdlalo kumele acabange kabili ngoba ngempela siyambona lo Nozinti wayo KO Angels uyasebenza ngempela. She just denied umdlali wayo iFuture Stars igoli KO. Beautiful. It was an interception. Phuma uNozinti wayo iFuture Stars eboxini sebenzile ngoba iyahlasela KO Angels Future Stars. Beautiful pass, Future Stars. Beautiful touches from Yona Future Stars. Sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars. What a skill from jersey number 8. Who are you, Future Stars? What a skill from Future Stars. A player. It just went out. It's going to be a throw-in for Future Stars. It's still 0-0 on both sides. Lazambela lothu ibhola laya njeka lula kuyena uNozinti wayo KO Angels thumela phambili ngekhanda wasebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars KO KO. So umisakahle. What a skill from kuyena umdlalo wayi KO. Unamandla umdlalo wayi Future Stars. Nice interception from kuyena umdlalo wayo KO Angels. KO Angels. Yamdlula phezulu kwekhanda Future Stars. Beautiful pass. Nice defense from kuyena umdlalo wayo KO Angels. Ngamakhanda okuzoba yona free kick yayo KO Angels. Uyashesha lo mdlalo omabili lamaqembu mawaphethe ibhola awamoshi isikhathi aya phambili. Ngithanda ukunikhumbuza ngosisi abadlalayo. Beautiful skill from kuyena umdlali wayo KO okuyona free kick. Siyabona ureferee wamnikeza yona yellow card. Hadisibona ukuthi ngempela bazalisebenzisa lethuba endaweni ebucayi ngempela hoki free kick yayo KO Angels. Hadisibona i-coach iyasebenza ngama set piece during i-training. Yiso lesesikhathi ngoba yonke into eyenziwayo enkundleni into eyenzwa ejimini. Hadisibona ukuthi ngempela ama set piece bayasebenza ngawo ejimini. Njengoba namanje simbona umdlali wayo KO Angels uyena ozokhahlela yona le free kick. Thumela phezulu. Thumela ngaphandle. Okuzoba i-goal kick yayo Future Stars. End of the first half. It's half time. Uyeshisa lo mdlalo. Siyibona iKO. Abadlali ngathi abajabulanga neze. Bathi besihlasela, besiya phambili, besizama ngawo wonke amandla ukupenetrate ibonda layo iFuture Stars, kodwa akukho lula neze ukupenetrate ibonda layo iFuture Stars. But bahle labadlali. Ngiyabona namanje bayakhuluma nayo icoach. Engithemba ukuthi izobatshela ukuthi ngempela niyadlali, kodwa kumele ukuthi nizame manje ukuthi nilibeke phansi, nikwazi ukubonana, nilibeke espacini njengoba nenza, nikwazi ukushintsha wona umdlalo, ningahle nilithole inqaku ngoba ngempela banamandla labadlali. Engithemba ukuthi naye uDesiree Ellis lapho akhona uzokwazi ukuthi makawubona lo mdlalo akwazi ukubuka ukuthi ngempela khona abadlali akahle abasebenzise kubona labadlali, ngoba ngempela mina ngizasho ngithi yinhle into engiyibonayo lana eDorothy Nyembe ePark eyenziwa yona Steve Sikano Foundation, ngoba it's a knockout a tournament. Iqembu that is going to lose today kumele bazi ukuthi ngempela kumele bayowasha lona ijezi. The team that is going to win today, they are going to move on to semi-finals. Lapho khona engazi ukuthi iliphi iqembu elizoya kuona ama semi-finals. Njengoba namanje siyambona ucoach ngezandla ukhuluma nabo uthi kumele maniliphethe ibhola nikwazi ukuphasana, ukwazi ukulibiza ulibeke espacini, omunye makaya phambili, omunye akwazi ukusala, ukuze if ibhola bangahle balithathe kuwena osele uyakwazi ukuthi alibuyisele lapho liphuma khona. Yinhle into engiyibonayo lana eDorothy Nyembe. Namanje siyababona ama reserves wayo iKO, njengoba sazi ukuthi makuyona i-half time ama reserves awayi kuyona i-team talk. Abakhona lana asijakulela ngebhola njengoba sibona okuyinto enhle njengoba kusaseyona nil-nil both sides engithanda ukuya ngakuyona Future Stars siyababona naba bakhuluma nayo icoach bayasho ukuthi coach siyazama kodwa i-KO Angels inamandla emuva hayisiniki ispace sokuthi sikwazi ungidlula njengoba namanje sabazoya kuyona i-second half yawo lo mdlalo esaziyo ukuthi mangabhela ngawo nel kuyiwa kuwona ama-penalty ayikho extra time kuyiwa straight kuwona ama-penalty ngoba omabili lamaqembu anamandla ibonda labo liqinile akukho lula ungidlula kulona ibonda lawo lamaqembu nayo imvula ifuna ukunetha angazi hengithemba ukuthi angeke ize inethe okwamanje njengoba namanje esizoya kuyona i-second half yawo lo mdlalo oshisayo uyashisa lo mdlalo esiya kuyona i-second half lapho mina ngishoyo ngithi khona bayilethile khona bazoyilanda angazi iliphi iqembu elilethile iliphi iqembu elizoyilanda njengoba sazi ukuthi it's a knockout esaziyo ukuthi Steve Sikana Foundation ibona abayenzayo ngempela ukuthi sibone wona lo mdlalo okuyinto enhle kakhulu namanje thanda ukushintshe iwere lifuna ukunetha izulu angazi njengoba mina ngisho ngithi kuhle lana Toltinyembe lasuka lahlala Future Stars bathi malibuye iqala phansi ibhola bengakasho washo uReru wathi mina bengakasho ukuthi la mali suke wathi uReferee makube yona i-retake uyashisa lo mdlalo Future Stars esiyakuyona second half kusaseyona Future Stars ibona baphethe ibhola Future Stars KO oyona Future Stars thanda ukulasela Future Stars sebenza abadlali bayo KO manamandla labadlali Future Stars shintsha kahle umdlali wayo i-KO kusaseyona i-KO wajika kahle umdlali wayo i-KO wamnika kahle okuyona i-KO ibona abathanda ukuhlasela esikhathini samanje i-KO ibona baya phambili sebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars sebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars KO jika kahle umdlali KO uyatheka sebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars thumela phambili espacini Future Stars sebenza unozinti wayo KO Angels wenza into enhle unosente wayo KO Angels uyashisa lo mdlalo okuzoba yona free kick yayo Future Stars Arizona izonsana Future Stars okuzoba yona throw in it's a free kick into engibonile umdlali kathatha yena makube yona i-throw in urevot hayi yona i-free kick awudisibona ukuthi uzonsani ngayo le free kick umdlali wayo Future Stars phakathi eboxini laya kuyena unozinti wayo KO Angels thumela phezulu unozinti wayo KO Angels sebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars beautiful touches from kuyena umdlali wayo Future Stars na umdlali wayo Future Stars mbuyisela kahle emuva thumela phambili umdlali wayo Future Stars into a space attack Future Stars phakathi eboxini wasebenza umdlali wayo KO Angels but this corner emuva angeke uzundlule kalula thumela phambili unozente wayo KO Angels Future Stars kusaseyona Future Stars thumela phambili Future Stars efuna inqaku kuyona i-second half ngoba kusaseyona nil-nil both sides sebenza umdlali wayo KO Angels banamandla labadlali bayo i-Angels laya kuyena thumela phambili unozente Future Stars phezulu kwamabhale azange afuna ukumosha sona isikhathi wathi ngiyalisa phambili ngiyabuza laya phezulu kwamabhale ozoba yona goal kick yayo KO Stars uyeshisa lo mdlalo yindlu into engibonayo khona ngapha eDorothy Nyembe
ngena kanjani
uyeshisa lo mdlalo
bafana uzakhe ngibona ngale nini lapha esalekelela lo hayi camera mina ngibe manje crew members bozosa play man
sesekhona lana liyathanda ukuna manje izulu liyanetha muhle lo mdlalo okusaseyona nil-nil both sides Future Stars KO thumela phambili KO yona thanda ukuhlasela KO beautiful pass espacini KO boom unozente bathi offside yayo Future Stars yona uyeshisa lo mdlalo sebenza umdlalo wayo KO free kick yayo KO banamandla labadlali wayo KO Angels andisibone sebenza umdlali wayo Future Stars akuzoba yona free kick yayo i-Future Stars iwona ama-quarter finals wayo lo mdlalo okusaseyinilnele both sides kuyona i-second half. KO okuyona i-KO KO okuzoba yona yona i-free kick yayo andisibone free kick yayo KO Angels Liyana Izulu siyabona uRevroot angeke ngumise umdlalo inkundla ayikabi manzi bangadlala abadlali andisibone yenzani KO ngayo le free kick ngekhanda sebenza umdlalo wa-Future Stars uzoba yona corner kick yayo i-KO uyeshisa lo mdlalo yena imvula kodwa bathi angeke uRevroot ngise ngumise lo mdlalo uthi angeke ngise ngumise lo mdlalo mkhanda sebenza umdlalo wayo KO phuma balo uzoba yona goal kick yayo Future Stars okusaseyinilnile both sides anamandla lamaqembu omabili Liyana Izulu andisibone bazothumela phambili sebenza umdlalo wayo KO funa ngamakhanda sebenza ngekhanda umdlalo wayo KO Angels okusaseyona Angels phethe ibhola sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars uzoba yona free kick yayo i-Angels thanda ukudlasela i-Angels kuyona i-second half yawo lo mdlalo hithi noma lingane siyafuna ukuya kuma-semifinal ngoba iqembu eliphumelelayo namhlanje liya kuwona ama-semifinals mawungaphela umdlalo kuwona kusaseyona 0-0 siyazi ukuthi kuyiwo kuwona ama-penalty ayikho extra time andisibona benzani phezulu kwamapale uzoba yona goal kick yayo i-Future Stars muhle lo mdlalo ngiyathemba ukuthi angeke ize ine kakhulu imvula uze uphele lo mdlalo ngoba siyayidinga yona imvula kodwa okwamanje ngoba silana enkundleni mayime nje kancane ingawuphazamisa umdlalo omuhle ofana nalona njengoba namanje sibona namkhanda sebenza umdlalo wayo KO Angels KO throwing yayo Future Stars ngamakhanda sebenza ngamakhanda KO Future Stars beautiful passes from Yona nice defense from Yona KO Angels attack nice touches from Yona Future Stars into a space Future Stars beautiful shot nice keeping from the keeper thumela phambili funa ngamakhanda sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars eceleni kwepale uzoba yona goal kick yayo KO Angels okusaseyinilnele kuyona i-second half angazi ngiphakeme kodwa ngiphakeme awangena amanqaku ngihlala phansi ngoba mokujoma ohleli phansi angeke aze angene amanqaku ngimila ngeenyawo awafuni ukungena lamanqaku angazi kwenzakalani manje uzoba yona free kick yayo KO Angels thanda ukudlasela i-KO Angels okuyona i-second half yawo lo mdlalo. It's a knockout tournament. The team that is going to lose today, we all know, they have to go and watch these beautiful matches at home. Future Stars. Future Stars. Beautiful pass. Akunabani. Sebenza uNozinti. Wayo KO Angels. Uyasithemba uNozinti. Wayo KO Stars. KO Angels, KO Angels, beautiful pass from Yona KO, another pass into a space, KO Angels, KO Angels, Sebenza uNozinti, wasebenza uNozinti wayo, iFuture Stars, KO, yahlasela, Future Stars, Future Stars, wazibona, bathi play on, Urevro play on, angibonanga ukuthi kwenzakalene. Unomdlalo ozobhlungu wayo iFuture Stars. Wathi Urevro awusumise kancane umdlalo njengoba sibona namanje usizo lokuqala liyangena enkundleni engithemba ukuthi asiyona injury serious ngempela ngoba labadlali siyafuna ukubabona bagijimela amaqembu amakhulu baphinde futhi bagijime kuyona i-national team ngoba siyazi ukuthi our national team they have qualified kuyona Women's Africa Cup of Nations. We all know they will be playing on the 2026 next year. Thumela phambili, sebenza umdlalo wayo. KO, Makhanda, sebenza umdlalo wayo. KO Angels, Future Stars, beautiful shot, nice try. Phumela ngaphandle boxini, akwazi ukulwisa phakathi eboxini. Ukuze akwazi ukulibamba ngazo izandla. KO Angels, Future Stars, thumela ngaphandle okuzoba yona throw in yayo KO Angels. Okusase 0-0 both sides. Siyabona khona ushintsho lwenzayo jersey number 10 uyangena uSiso Mncane. Bayamthemba ukuthi unaso iskill. Yidli into engibonayo ngapha eDorothy Nyembe. Yidli into enziwa yona Steve Sigano eFoundation ngoba iyona esikhomba wona lo mdlalo omuhle kangaka khona ngapha eDorothy Nyembe. Ngekhanda usebenza ngekhanda KO. KO. It was going to be her first toss. Jersey number 10. Wayo KO Angels. I want to see her when she's having a ball. Jersey number 10. What she will do with it. She looks young. Jersey number 10 from KO Angels. But let's see what she will do with the ball. KO. Offside. Said it's a offside. Offside yayo Future Stars. Okusaseyona 0-0 both sides. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Thumela phambili, funa Makhanda. Sebenza umdlalo wayo iFuture Stars. Uzoba throwing yayo Future Stars. Alizibona wenza sebenza ngani umdlalo wayo KO Angels. Okusaseyona KO Angels. Isaseyona yafyabo. Umdlalo ngabo umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Okuyona free kick. Bathi ujahile buya lapho. Eyenzakale khona ifoul. Ungalisusi lapho. Engayenzakalanga khona. Alizibona basenzani ngayo le free kick abadlali bayo. Future Stars. Still a 0-0 both sides. It's the second half of this beautiful match. Let's see what they'll do with this ball. Nice defense from KO Angels. KO Angels, still KO Angels. Pumalanga Palo Zobana, throw in. Yeah, Future Stars. Future Stars is still Future Stars. Future Stars, beautiful pass. Future Stars, beautiful cross. There was no one in the box. Hozobayona, goal kick. Here you. Free kick. But Konum Dalom Dalega Biwayo, KO Angels. It's a free kick. Tumela Pambele. Future Stars. Sebenza ngamaganda. Future Stars. Future Stars. KO. KO Betty Pona. Bamvola Lindela. Whoever what is a free kick. Here no KO Angels. Still 0-0 both sides. Huyona is second half. Huyashisa lo mdlalo. Into angekho ngamagoli. Future Stars. Beautiful pass. KO Angels. KO Angels. Sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Future Stars. Future Stars. Kusaseyona Future Stars. Unamandla lo mdlali. Future Stars. Watch yahle. Sebenza umdlalo wayo. KO Angels. KO Angels. Nice defense from you on KO Angels. Pumelanga ball kuzobayana. Throw in. Here yo Future Stars. Ethanda ukuba ingozi. Esikhathini samanje. Future Stars. Ngiyayibona. Iya phambili. Hayimoshi isikhathi second half. Umqeqeshi uyabatshela nge-half time wathi ningamoshi isikhathi maniphethe ibhola yani phambili athekhani ngoba nazi kungenzakalani into engiyibonayo enziwa yona Future Stars njengoba kuyona throwing yayo Future Stars ngekhanda. KO 1 bounce okusaseyona Future Stars. Future Stars, beautiful pass from Yona Umdlalo Future Stars. Nice defense from Yona. KO. What a scan. Happy hour is still 0-0. They are showcasing into a space. He didn't read the game. Jersey number. Let me see what jersey she's wearing. It was a beautiful pass from his teammate. It's a goal kick for Future Stars. Future Stars long ball. Nice defense from KO. 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 A boxing Bambusha. It's a card. They are going to give him a yellow card. They gave him a card. It's going to be a free kick for KO Angels. Let's see what they will do with this free kick. KO. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Liyanetha izulu. Kodwa amagoli awekho. Anqabile amagoli. Liyanetha. Bengithemba ukuthi kuona lo mdlalo sizobona imvula yamagoli. Kodwa kunetha imvula nothi amagoli atisibone bazowenzani ngayo le free kick kuyona i-second half. Iqembu elizofaka inqaku, iqembu elizokwazi ukuphumelela kuwona lo mdlalo. Atisibone sebenza kanjani umdlalo wayo Future Stars. KO bamdlala wabo umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Anisibone Beautiful shot. It was a beautiful free kick. Well taken. Nice keeping from the keeper. Sebenza umdlalo wayo KO. Future Stars. Future Stars. Future Stars. Nice defense from KO Angels. Future Stars. It's still Future Stars in the box. Another pass. What a shot. It just went wide. It's going to be a goal kick for KO Angels. It's a beautiful match. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Hawks are saying 0-0 at both sides. Liyanetha izulu. Asazi iliphi iqembu eliyophumelela. Asazi Future Stars. Future Stars, what a skill from Future Stars. Nice defense from KO Angels. KO Angels. Free kick. Yeah, your KO Angels. Hawks aseyona 0-0 both side. Kuyona is second half yawo lo mdlalo. Future Stars. Future Stars. Beautiful pass. It's an handball. It was an handball in front of the ref. Alibona bazonzani ngayo le free kick abadlali bayo Future Stars awudisibone bazonzani ngayo le free kick abadlali bayo iFuture Stars. Iqembu elingafaka inqaku ilona liphumelela namhlanje. What a shot. Sebenza unozinti wayo iKO Angels. Muhle lo nozinti wayo iKO. Sebenza kanti umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Nice defense from KO Angels. It's still 0-0 both sides. I don't know what the coaches they've said during a halftime to their players. Long ball. Future Stars. Future Stars. Future Stars. Beautiful pass. Sebenza umdlalo wayo. Sebenza ngekhanda umdlalo wayo KO. Hawuzoba yona free kick. Yayo iKO. Bamdlale kabi umdlali wayo iKO Angels. Akukho lula ungidlula kulona ibonda layo iKO. Akazwanga ubuhlungu neze. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Amakhanda sebenza kanti umdlalo wayo Future Stars. KO. KO. Hamzana throwing yayo iKO. Halizibone enzani. Ngekhanda Future Stars. Phumela ngaphandle kuzoba yona. Throwing yayo iKO. Hawks aseyona 0-0. Kuyona second half yawo lo mdlalo. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Liyana izulu. Awekho amagoli. Ngithemba ukuthi kuzoba imvula yamagoli. Kodwa imvula yangempela enethayo. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars. KO. KO. Sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Uzoba yona throwing yayo iKO. Hawks aseyona 0-0. Kuyona second half yawo lo mdlalo. It's a knockout tournament. Halibona wenzani ngalo throwing. Sebenza umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Waphela umdlalo 0-0. liyanetha izulu okumele bayokhahlela wona ama-penalty esingazi ukuthi iliphi iqembu eliyophumelela bayokhahlela wona ama-penalty uphele ngawo 0-0 manje kuyiwa kuwona ama-penalty njengoba ngiye ngasho ayikho i-extra time baya straight kuwona ama-penalty awuthi sibona ukuthi liphi iqembu eliyokhahlela kuqala njengoba sibona ama-coach nayi i-coach yayo KO Angels ikhuluma nabadlali bayo iyabatshela iyababuza ukuthi ubani ofuna ukukhahlela kuqala ngoba siyazi ngalesikhathi abadlali bayathuka makumele bakhahlela wona ama-penalty manje awuthi sibone ukuthi ama-coach bayasebenza ngawo ama-penalty during i-training ngoba nawo ama-penalty it's a part yawo umdlalo siyababona manje they are joining hands they are praying ukuthi ngempela siyafuna ukuya kuwona ama-semifinals wayo i-Steve Sikano Foundation liyana kodwa siyababona osisi bethu bathi lingana kodwa kumele kube khona iqembu eliphumelelayo yinto into engibonayo ngapha eDorothy Nyembe eSoweto ama-penalty Steve Sikano Foundation Under 19 Soccer Tournament osisi abadlalayo okuyinto enhle siyabona umdlali ozoqala ukukhahlela yona le penalty umdlali wayo i-KO Angels oyokhahlela awuthi sibone uzoyenzani ngayo le penalty njengoba linetha izulu sinikhiphela bukhoma akukho lula neze ukunikhiphela wona lo mdlalo wona lama-penalty kalula ngoba liyanetha kodwa sizozama awuthi sibone wenzani langena wane KO Angels enele Future Stars it's a knockout tournament umdlalo uyowaphela ngayo 0-0 njengoba sibona manje bakhahlela wona ama-penalty sibona umdlali wayo KO Angels aqeda ukulifaka phambili phakathi hamba phambili ngegoli elilodwa eqandeni kuyona penalty shootout awusibona uzonzana umdlali wayo Future Stars ngayo le penalty phezulu kwamabhale wane KO Angels nele Future Stars uyashisa lo mdlalo ama-penalty umkhumula Chelsea asazi liphi iqembu eliyokhumula lona iChelsea njengoba mina ngithanda ukusho ngithi khona balethile khona bazoyilanda angazi ibaphi njengoba namanje sibona yona KO Angels okuyibona ayokhahlela yona le penalty njengoba hamba ngegoli elilodwa eqandeni. What a shot at 2 KO Angels enele Future Stars. Adisbona uzenzani umdlali wayo Future Stars liyanetha izulu kodwa osisi bethu bathi angeke size sambe uRevrothi kumele suqethe umdlalo njengoba kuwona ama-penalty to KO Angels and Future Stars njengoba umdlalo wayo Future Stars hazokhahlela awuzibona wenzani phakathi to KO Angels 1 Future Stars uyashisa lo mdlalo athi sibone uzwenzani umdlali wayo KO Angels njengoba ihamba phambili ngamagoli amabili kolilodwa kuwona ama-penalty athi sibone uzwenzani umdlali wayo KO Angels. What a save kuyena unozinti wayo iFuture Stars at 2 KO 1 Future Stars. Sibonile umdlali weFuture Stars uye wayimesa ipenalty. Sabona manje umdlali wayo KO Angels haya straight into a keeper. What a save enzo yena ukeeper wayo iFuture Stars. Lashaya ibali laphumela ngaphandle. It was not a goal. 2 KO Angels 1 Future Stars. Angazi kuye kwayenzakalani athi sibona uzenzani umdlalo wayo KO Angels ehamba ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa. Inkundla ithanda ukuba manzi manje, ithanda ukuba manzi inkundla. Athi sibona uzenzani umdlalo wayo KO Angels. What a shot! 3 KO Angels 1 Future Stars. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Athi sibona uzenzani umdlalo wayo Future Stars. Holandele emuva ngamagoli amathathu kolilodwa kuwona ama-penalty shootouts. Athi sibona uzenzani uJersey number 13 umdlali wayo iFuture Stars. Future Stars elandela ngamagoli amathathu kolilodwa phakathi 3 KO Angels 2 Future Stars. Sazi liphi iqembu elizophumelela namhlanje? Njengoba mina ngithanda ukusho ngithi khona balethile, khona bazoyilanda. Angazi ibaphi njengoba sibona wona ama-penalty shootout njengoba umdlalo uyophela ngawo 0-0 both sides. Njengoba namanje KO Angels ihamba ngamagoli amathathu kwamabili. Athi sibona enzane phakathi waphela umdlalo lapho khona sibona KO Angels iphumelela 3-2. Lapho khona asizozama ukuthola umdlali wayo KO Angels sizwe ukuthi uzothini noma linetha izulu. Sizozama ukukhuluma naye umdlali ngoba sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi basizwa kanjani ukuya kuwona ama-semi-finals wayo iSteve Sikano Under 19 soccer tournament. It was a beautiful match. Engiya manje kuyona imvula kizoba manzi but for the good cause ngoba sibonile bokumdlalo omuhle kakhulu. What a beautiful match esiubonile ekratang utsiba uluna ore mtsemiko wa lona lo bone o le jwang ka jeko nena pula la gona o phumela o tsona di penalty.
Ya dumelang ke thabile haholo ya re lwanile o bile le chance ngata mare khonne o hlola ke proud ka team ya ka nje.
Ibile la itukisetsa jwang for tsona di quarter final tsena because it was not easy for you guys because the match ended Iliona a goalless draw, but you've managed to win on Samiko na ka tsona di penalty jwale libile la itukisetsa jwang for tsona di quarter final tsena.
Di challenges di bile ngata mare tsamile re le Jimmy hakalo ne planning lo rapa game before first half mare di challenges ya ba re tshwere re lwanne je for the penalty.
Jwalo ka reng ho balateli ba lona as jwale le ya ho tsona di semi-finals tsa yona Steve Sikano under 19 as soccer tournament.
Ya ke ka re ba fethu tanking ka leboa le tleng tlo shebella le supporting tournament ya Steve Sikano le tleng le tlo shebella le tleng groundong.
No, thanks very much.
Ya ke lebola chance.
Thanks. Now you heard masikhuluma naye usisi wethu asho ukuthi ngempela ujabulile ukuthi iqembu labo lirishe wona ama semi-finals bokukuhle khona lana eDorothy Nyambe lapho khona esibone amaqembu amahle kakhulu lapho khona esibonena KO Angels idlala nayo Future Stars lapho umdlalo oyowaya khona kuma penalty yaphumelela iKO kodwa ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe ukuze sinikhiphele imidlalo efana nalena. See ya when you see us on Champions Circuit.